This is the personal analysis as it appears in the plan at this moment. You'll see the factors, aspects, implications, and mitigation. Content includes the impact of changes in government policies, COVID lockdowns, looking at practices and norms in public procurement, rapid technological changes, sustainability and climate change, overlapping mandates, and the changes in the legal framework that could plausibly affect procurement. Similarly, this is the SWOT analysis as it currently appears in the plan. We look at the strengths, such as the new supplier registration system to be implemented, the weaknesses, similarly the backlogs and the impact in the current supplier registration system, opportunities and threats. We've noted that the opportunities and threats should speak more to the external environment, and that will be changed. And also in the environmental scan, we have our stakeholder analysis where we look at the various stakeholders for the PPC, their expectations, and PPC expectations, whether they be the procuring entities, bidders, oversight agencies, the general public, the media, and of course staff.